Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming Pycharm version and the system JDK or Python paths. This prevents mismatches later. Open or create the project, then set the project SDK to the interpreter you need. Once done, enable a virtualenv or conda environment to isolate packages and avoid global conflicts. Make sure your environment is active in the bottom right status bar. This saves time when installing libraries and running tests. Follow these first steps now to prevent configuration drift. Next, you configure the interpreter and tooling inside settings or preferences. Select the interpreter, then install or point to pip/conda package managers so dependencies resolve reliably. Once done, enable linters, formatters, and type checkers like Flake 8, Black, and MIPI to enforce code quality. If your workflow uses Docker, WSL, or a remote host, add a remote interpreter and map paths correctly. Make sure Run configurations reference the same interpreter to avoid runtime surprises. Finally, you create run and debug configurations, choosing the script, parameters, and working directory so execution matches expectations. Once done, set file watchers for formatting, configure deployment or remote mappings, and confirm version control integration is active. Make sure to save these as project or IDE schemes based on team needs. If something breaks, restart Pycharm and invalidate caches and restart. This clears index issues and often fixes missing symbols or unexpected behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.